In this video, we'll show you how to add items to existing transactions like proposals, invoices, and purchase orders. To do this, we want to go to a project's items and work list. And here we have all the products and services on this particular project. And you can see that some of them are on a proposal, some on an invoice, and some on a purchase order. Now we could either create a brand new transaction from the Edit Add link up here at the top, and we have a video for how to do that. But if you want to simply say add some of these items to an existing proposal, for example, it's very easy right here. Say we want to put this desk and this paperweight and the freight for the desk on a proposal that we already have created for this project. We just select these items right here from this list, and we'll go all the way down and select all the items for this desk. And we come up to bulk actions. And then down here where it says transactions, add, remove, we can select the particular proposal in this case to add it to. So we've already had proposal number 2 in here, and we're just going to add these items to proposal number 2. So click update, and you can see what that did is it put that proposal number 2 in the proposal column for each of these items. And when we click on that proposal number, that opens up the proposal, and now you can see each of these items on that proposal. Likewise, the same method works for purchase orders. Say if you want to put this desk on a purchase order that we have already created, hit bulk actions, and you can come down here and put it on a purchase order that's already on that project. As long as they have the same supplier, you want to make sure that the supplier is the same for the items that are on the purchase order. And that's all you need to do to add items to existing transactions.